Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video I want to continue a series that I have started, how to design a map with ArcGIS from the scratch. Yes, so my previous videos have been focusing on how to download image from Google Earth Pro and do georeferencing in ArcGIS. Yes, so to be able to design map from the scratch, the two videos that I just talked about are fundamental tools. I also have another video where I show you how you can actually download and install Google Earth Pro. You can check that video also out. Yes, so assuming you have your Google Earth Pro software and your GIS software installed, then you will have to go to Google Earth, download the image and your coordinates, then you bring the two files to ArcGIS and do what you call georeferencing. Yes, so and with the downloading of the image and doing the georeferencing, we have two approaches, Excel and KML approach, of which I have individual or separate videos for each of the approaches. So you can check the videos out. The link is up there. Okay, so now we are continuing with digitization. Yes, so what is digitization? Digitization in map is simply representing a real world feature on a map. So if you look at this particular image, like I said, looking at the first two videos I just spoke about, we did georeferencing. So with the georeferencing in the video, I said it is about linking an image or an area image or a scan map to its actual position on the ground, on the earth surface. It's like pinning the image on the globe. You get it? Yes. So I explained it in those videos. So now when you are done with georeferencing, the next thing that you want to do is that, let's say you want to draw all the buildings. You want to actually draw the boundary, draw the road and the street, and even there are farms over here. You want to represent those farms, show those farms. There is a river over here. You see, this is a river. You want to draw the river from here up to here. Do you get it? So in that way, you are doing what we call digitization. You are representing these features on the map. That is what we call digitization. Yes. So to digitize an area, that is what this video is coming to focus on. So to digitize an area, you need to create a shapefile. So to create a shapefile, you go to the Arc catalog. Then you locate the folder you are working with. So this is the folder I am working with, the Diacon. So I'll right click, go to new, then shapefile. So the first feature I want to draw or create is the boundary of the area. So I'll say boundary. The feature type should be polygon. Then I choose it. Then I choose my coordinate system. So this is WGS 1984. Then I choose it. Then I select OK. You create another shapefile, the same for building. So building, or let's say settlement. So building, that one should also be polygon. Then I select this. Another one for the road, I would like to draw the road as well. So road, do you get it? The road should be line. Then I choose the same coordinate system. I click OK. Another shapefile, new, that will be for street. Do you get it? Then I choose line. Okay. Then another shapefile for farm, or let's say farms. Do you get it? The area I want to study, there are lettuce and cabbage farms over there, and I want to represent them on the map. So for the farms, I want to represent them with a point. So I'll choose point. Then I'll come and select the coordinate system. Okay. Do you get it? Yes. Then after that, another shapefile for the rivers. Rivers. Do you get it? The rivers should be line. Then I select this. Okay. Do you get it? Now that my shapefiles are ready, let us start doing the digitization. So with the digitization, to start digitizing, you need a toolbar which is called the editor toolbar. This is my editor toolbar. If your editor toolbar is not there, you go to customize toolbars. So you see the editor toolbar, then you activate it. So my editor toolbar is already here. So I'll come to it, select this part, start editing. Then I'll click OK. Continue. Do you get it? So now that I have started editing, you've seen that all these features have been activated. So I'll come and select create features. So with the create features, first of all, I would like to start the editing with the point. Do you get it? Which is the farming areas. So with the farming areas, I'll come to the create features, then select the farm areas. To digitize the point is very simple. You just select the point, then you actually go to where you want to locate it. So there's farm here, I locate it over here. I locate it over here. There are other farms over here. Then I'll locate them at where I think the farms are located. Do you get it? Then I'll come and select. You see what I did? I selected the hand tool, then I moved the map down. Do you get it? So that is it. It is very easy. Digitizing points are the easiest thing you can do. You just select the point. When you get to where you want to edit it, then you right click. You are done digitizing the point. Do you get it? When you are done, then you save the edit. Now the point has been saved. Do you get it? You can also go to the table of contents area. You double click on the point, then you can actually choose a preferred one so that it can be very visible. Now that I am done with a point, how do we digitize a line? So with a line, I would like to start with the river. So with the river, I will still come to the create features, select the river. So to digitize a line, you can actually zoom in. So you start, okay, one click, then you are tracing. Digitization is the same as applying the rules of tracing. Do you get it? Those of us who did visual arts, so you are just tracing the building, the feature. Do you get it? So let us trace the river. We are tracing the river. Hope you are following. So until you get to your final destination, you single click throughout. Okay. When you get to your final destination, then you double click. You are done digitizing the line, which in this case is the river. Now you will come here. There's another river passing from here. Do you get it? That is how we digitize a line. Now, how do we digitize a polygon? So in this case, we want to digitize the boundary. So I'll come to the first of all, but before that, let us save the edit. Now let's save the edits of the river. Okay. Now with the river too, you can go to the table of contents. Now you double click on the line under the river. Then you can choose the color for it. You can increase the width. Now it looks more visible. Do you get it? Now, how do you digitize a building, a boundary, which is a polygon? So you come, then you select the boundary. If you select the boundary, you see that these features have been activated under here. So we have various types of polygon you can draw or you can digitize. So we have the polygon, which will help you, allow you to move at any side you want to move. Do you get it? That is the polygon. That is actually the polygon. So I'll come back and teach you how I was able to delete it. So like I said, this is the polygon. The first one is the second one is a rectangle. That allows you to only digitize a rectangular shape. So let's say I want to digitize this particular building. I'll select this end, that end, then come to the third time. Do you get it? Only a strict rectangular shape can you use to digitize. Another one, for the third time. Do you get it? Then we have a circle one. If you have gotten a circular shape and you want to digitize, you select that one, you click it once, then you move, then you release it. And we have an ellipse one too, which goes like that. Do you get it? So these are the various types of polygons you can draw. So now I want to digitize the boundary, but I'll need the polygon to do that. So I'll select the polygon. After selecting the boundary, I'll come and select the polygon. It is automatically selected though. Then I start. The boundary starts from here. I'm tracing the boundary. Single click throughout. Now I want to move to the down part, so I'll come and select the hand tool, then move it to the down part. Then I'll come back and select the building and continue the editing. Do you get it? Now let me move down, hand tool, move to the down part. Now go back and select the boundary, continue the editing. Do you get it? If you like, you can also zoom out. You zoom out so that you can see it very clearly. Now you don't need to move it. So now let us go. Select this, single click. I think I am done. So when I am done, then I'll double click. Do you get it? That is how we digitize a boundary or a polygon feature. Okay, so now with a polygon, if I want to remove the color so that I can see inside the area, I'll just come to the table of contents. So the boundary selected, then I can come here, fill color, no color. Now increase the width to, let's say, 3. Then I'll choose a red. Color. I am done. Do you get it? So I have digitized the boundary as well, which is a polygon. So that is how we digitize points, lines, and polygons. Do you get it? Yes. So that is it. So now with a road, If I want to digitize the road, I'll select the road. Now I can see edges of the road. So see something. So I select the road, then draw the road like this. Do you get it? Then I'll just follow the road like I did to the river. Do you get it? And with the boundary, I'm going to draw with the buildings. I'm going to draw the buildings one after the other. So I start here. I select this, select this, select this. Papa. Do you get it? Select this, select this, select this. Papa. Pa, 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 papa. Pa, 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 papa. Do you get it? So I'm going to digitize the whole area. And at the end, I am going to show you the final output of what I did. I'm going to draw the street. So let me start with this street. I can start here. Pa, pa, pa. I think it goes here. Pa, pa, pa. Then I'll start from here. Then continue to the side. Pa, pa. Do you get it? Yeah. So that is it. I'm going to draw the layout. And one other thing, if you've mistakenly drawn something and you want to delete it, you see this edit tool, you select it, then you come and select the feature you want to delete. Then you right click and delete it. Yes, so that is it. Now let me start digitizing the area so that I can show it to you at the end. Alright, so at the end, this is how the area looks like. I even created a new shapefile and digitized the boundary, the bridges. Do you get it? So this is the boundary. Do you get it? Yes. So this is the boundary, and this is actually the rivers, and these are the farming areas. Do you get it? Yes. So you can imagine the amount of time I have spent. So that is digitization for you. That is how we digitize lines, points, and polygons. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and kindly help me with a subscription. I am really struggling to grow this channel. So if you found this video helpful, please help me with a subscription, and I'll thank you, and I will be grateful to that. Yes.